Have you ever wondered what lurks in the shadows, waiting for the perfect moment to strike? The natural world is full of beauty, but it also harbors creatures of immense power and deadly precision. Forget lengthy struggles. We're talking about encounters that can end in the blink of an eye. From the deep blue sea to the dense, sun-dappled jungle, some animals are equipped with biological weapons so potent they can deliver a fatal blow in mere seconds. Prepare to have your heart race as we unveil 10 animals that can kill a human in seconds. First on our list is the fearsome saltwater crocodile. As the largest living reptile on Earth, this prehistoric predator is a master of the ambush. They can lurk just beneath the water surface, almost invisible. Before launching themselves with explosive force, their most infamous technique is the death roll. Once they clamp their powerful jaws, which have the strongest bite force of any animal onto their prey, they spin violently in the water, dismembering their victim in a horrifyingly efficient manner. An encounter with a salty in its territory often ends before the victim even realizes what has happened. Next, we venture into the African savanna, home to the Cape buffalo, often included in the big 5 game animals. The Cape buffalo is notoriously aggressive and unpredictable. Don't be fooled by its bovine appearance. This animal is responsible for more hunter deaths in Africa than any other large creature. Weighing up to 2,000 pounds and armed with massive, fused horns, a charging Cape buffalo is like a freight train of pure muscle. They are known to circle back and attack their aggressors even after being injured, showing a level of vindictiveness that is truly terrifying. A head-on collision is almost instantly fatal. From land to sea, we meet the box jellyfish. This translucent, ghost-like creature may look ethereal, but it is widely considered the most venomous marine animal in the world. Its tentacles are lined with thousands of microscopic stinging cells called cnidocytes, which inject a potent venom that attacks the heart, nervous system, and skin cells simultaneously. A severe sting can cause cardiac arrest and death within minutes, often before the victim can even swim back to shore. The pain is so excruciating that many survivors are left in shock for hours. Deep within the lush rainforests of Central and South America lives a tiny, brilliantly colored amphibian, the golden poison frog. Measuring just a couple of inches long, this frog's vibrant appearance is a stark warning. Its skin is coated in an alkaloid poison called batrachotoxin, one of the most potent neurotoxins known to science. A single frog carries enough venom to kill 10 adult humans. The poison prevents nerves from transmitting impulses, leading to muscle paralysis, heart failure, and death in a very short time. Simply touching the frog could be enough for the toxin to be absorbed. Slithering into our list is the black mamba, a snake whose reputation for speed and aggression is well-deserved. Found in sub-Saharan Africa, the black mamba is not actually black, but brownish-gray. Its name comes from the inky blackness inside its mouth, which it displays when threatened. It can strike up to 12 times in a row, injecting a powerful neuro and cardiotoxin with each bite. Without immediate antivenom treatment, the venom can cause a complete collapse of the respiratory system and death in as little as 20 minutes, making it one of the fastest-acting snake venoms. Returning to the ocean's depths, we encounter the blue-ringed octopus. This small cephalopod, often no larger than a golf ball, is another example of how size can be deceiving. When provoked, it flashes iridescent blue rings as a warning. If the warning is ignored, it delivers a painless bite that injects a powerful neurotoxin. Tetrodotoxin, the same poison found in pufferfish, there is no antivenom. The venom quickly leads to respiratory arrest and paralysis while the victim remains fully conscious, often succumbing within minutes if artificial respiration isn't administered immediately. The majestic polar bear, the Arctic's apex predator, is another animal capable of an instant kill. As the largest terrestrial carnivore, these bears are incredibly strong and see humans as potential prey. They are skilled hunters with a powerful sense of smell and can run surprisingly fast. A single swipe from a polar bear's massive paw can decapitate a human or crush a skull. Their attacks are swift, powerful, and driven by predatory instinct, leaving little to no chance for escape or survival. In the warm waters of the Indo-Pacific, the stonefish reigns as the master of camouflage. Looking exactly like a rock or piece of coral, it is the most venomous fish in the world. Along its back are 13 sharp spines connected to venom sacs. Accidentally stepping on one causes the spines to inject a neurotoxin that inflicts unimaginable pain. The venom can cause tissue death, paralysis, shock, and heart failure, potentially leading to death in under an hour if left untreated. The mighty hippopotamus of Africa may have a clumsy, docile appearance, but it is one of the most dangerous large land animals on the continent. Hippos are extremely territorial and aggressive, especially in the water. They are surprisingly fast and can easily capsize boats. With enormous jaws that can open 180 degrees and long, sharp canine tusks, a hippo can crush or bite a human in half with a single chomp. Most fatal encounters are over in an instant, a brutal display of the hippo's raw power. Finally, we have the cone snail, a seemingly harmless mollusk with a beautifully patterned shell. However, this sea snail is a sophisticated predator. It hunts using a modified tooth shaped like a harpoon, which it fires to inject its prey with a complex cocktail of toxins known as conotoxin. The venom is so potent and fast-acting that it can paralyze a fish instantly. For humans, a sting from the larger species can be fatal, causing muscle paralysis, respiratory failure, and death within minutes. There is no antivenom, making this beautiful shell one of nature's deadliest creations.